Hi viewers, good evening everyone, good afternoon, good morning, depending on where you're watching from. To my lovely subscribers, I welcome you all to my channel. So guys, guess what we'll be having today? Today we'll be having a Negro Pepper and Clove together. So do you know you can mix clove and Negro pepper together because it works so wonderful. I told you guys I'll be showing you guys the total combination of what you can mix with a Negro pepper. So clove is one of the amazing ingredients you can mix with a Negro pepper. This Negro pepper is going to fasten your hair growth. So guys, if you haven't tried this, please include this on your hair care routine. You are going to see wonders. You will see your hair growing so fast. So here are my Negro pepper and clove. So I'll be taking a small portion because I told you guys I won't be taking too much. So because I can always make it again. So I just want everything to be fresh. So I'm going to be taking a small portion. I know that I can be able to consume immediately. So guys, I'll I'll proceed by pounding my. I will always pound my ingredient because I just want to extract all the nutrients in these herbs. This is going to work more better than soaking it, just soaking it. By pounding it this way, you'll be able to get everything you need. Like how many hands are you seeing here? My children are disturbing me, guys. So I will add the Negro pepper to pound it together. So make sure you pound it together. So guys, before you add your Negro pepper, make sure you have already pounded your clove very, very well. And also guys, clove is also an active ingredient. In anything you are, any care routine you are as in, do not forget, see glove, don't use glove to play. Don't use glove to play at all. Like glove is also very, very effective. It's one of the powerful ingredients for hair care routine. So this glove that you're saying here is going to improve your hair health. So it's going to improve your hair health. So guys, you are going to be consistent in this because this doesn't work. It's not a miracle herbs. You understand? So it is not going to be doing a miracle. So you are going to be consistent in it. By the time if you apply this in like 3 to 4 times in a month, do it like this, like 4 months, you will see changes. Like you see your hair strands has started doubling up, your hair is growing back to back. Just be consistent in this because glove contains a compound like eugenol that can boost your blood circulation to the scalp and also will be stimulating your hair follicles and uh, uh, um, and it will also encourage a faster hair growth. So by the time you start applying this on your hair, you're going to be seeing changes. Like guys, like God that created these herbs, He's a wonderful God. Like guys, you need to apply this on your hair, include it on your hair routine. You're going to come back in this platform to come and thank me. So guys, before I forget, if you know you haven't subscribed to my channel, please guys, subscribe to my channel. For those of you who always view without subscribing, subscription is free, guys. Subscription is free. So guys, before I still forget, after pounding this and I added a little water, so I'm going to be leaving this water. I'm going to be leaving it till the next day after adding water. So you can see my has changed here. So all the nutrients I have been able to extract all the nutrients in this and clove and Negro pepper. So everything has been extracted. So by the time you leave it to the next day, you'll be left with nothing but by the time you strain everything, you will strain out all the nutrients and be left with chaff. So after applying this, you are going to be guys, make sure the water you are going to be adding is a small water. Don't add a plenty water, just only for your hair. So do not dilute too much, just add a little water. So guys, after this I'm going to leave it for 3 to 4 hours. If you're in a hurry, you can wash out for leave it for 2 hours. And if it's still less busy, you can leave it to the next day. Guys, you can leave it to the next day. So guys, I won't be explaining what Negro Pepper does. So, but I assure you that Negro Pepper does wonders to the hair. Negro pepper is going to stimulate your hair scalp, and it will improve blood circulation also. So by combining the two, it's going to be doing wonderful. It's going to be doing a great job because it has these antimicrobial properties and that will strengthen your hair, your hair root to reduce breakage, and it also fights dandruff. So guys, I'm going to stop here. Please guys, I beg you all to subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to my channel, guys. Please, if you know you haven't subscribed to this channel, please, subscription is free, guys. Please. So guys, it is free. It doesn't cost more. It doesn't cost anything at all. I love you guys. Bye bye.